Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about JavaScript arrays. In simple word, array is in JavaScript. It's a part of JavaScript in which we store our collection or we store our list of things. Imagine you have a bunch of your favorite fruits like apple, bananas and oranges. You can put them all together in a basket and that basket would be like an array in JavaScript. Basket is storing your fruits like this array store our lists in JavaScript. This is called an array and these are in many programming languages. It's the basic thing in programming languages. So first we will look at how to write an array. Here we have created a variable known as fruits and its values in is apple, banana and cherry which are stored in this big brackets known as square brackets and each value is stored in these quotes. You can write single quote to and double quote to. I have written here double quotes, this is double quotes and all values are separated by these commas and then I have console.log fruits just variable. That fruit meaning this array will print now here. Look, apple, banana and cherry is printed. So it's very simple. Then I will go to other example, this one. Let mixed array is equal to 1, hello, true, null, undefined. When I will run it, its meaning is that in one array, in one variable, we can store multiple data types. Like here is number stored, string is to stored, boolean is to stored, null, undefined is to stored in only one single array. So we can store multiple data types in one array too. So I will comment this one. Now I will come to our third example. Number 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. It's simple because we have created a variable numbers and its values is 10, 20, 30 and 40, 50. And then we have console it here. It's simple. So I will uncomment this one and I will comment this one. So now here is an object in array. This is an object. This is stored in an array. Objects are created by these curly braces and arrays are created by these square brackets. And this object is in array. So it is in like it is an part of array. You can say it is an array because as you can see these all values are separated by commas. Here all values are separated by commas. So it's an array. So here is what we have created an array known as people and then we have started our bracket here. Then name, this is our keys and these are the values. Name is equal to John and age is equal to 30. Here are how many values? Here are 6 values and 6 keys because here's name, there are 3 names and 3 ages. 3 names like John, Jane, Bob and ages are 30, 25 and 35. When I will run it, so it will print like this. It is printed because array, this is an array and it will print in these square brackets. If I would not have written this and directly, I would have created an object. So it would have printed an object, not an array. So this is so simple. It's meaning that we can write objects in the array. This is showing us this example is showing us this. So now here is let empty array is equal to empty, like we have written square brackets but here is no value and empty array. So output would be to like this array because what value is of variable, same thing print. So here is a bracket, so only bracket will print here. So this is empty array, it's showing us. So thank you guys in this video only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.